Good morning, friends. This morning I'm going to teach you on how to get the area of a triangle. So we have a triangle having the base of 9 meters and the height is 10 meters. So you may ask, what is the formula of getting the area of a triangle? So the formula of getting the area of triangle is area equals base times the height divided by 2. So let's try to solve this one. So base is 9 meters times 10 meters. So 9 times 10 is 90. Then meters times meters is meters squared. Then you have to divide this by 2. So 90 divided by 2. So let's try to divide. So 9 divided by 2 is 4. Then 4 times 2 is 8. Then we have to subtract. 9 minus 8 is 1. Then bring down 0. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10. So subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So it is 45. So the answer is 45 meters squared. Example number 2. So this triangle has the base of 10 meters and the height is 12 meters. So let's try to solve using the formula base times height divided by 2. So 10 meters multiplied by 12 meters. Okay, let's multiply 10 times 12, that is 120. Then meters times meters is meters squared. Then divided by 2. So 120 divided by 2. So the half of 120 is 60. Then copy meters squared. So the area of this triangle is 60 meters squared. Example number 3. This triangle has the base of 12 meters and the height is 15 meters. So let's multiply the base and the height. So base is 12 meters multiplied by 15 meters. So it's solved. 12 times 15. So 5 times 2 is 10. 0 carry 1. Then 5 times 1 is 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 1 times 2 is 2. Then 1 times 1 is 1. So let's try to add. So 0. 6 plus 2 is 8. Then bring down 1. So 180. 180. So meters times meters is meters squared. Then divided by 2. So 180 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 cannot be. So it's go to the second digit. So 18 divided by 2 is 9. Then 9 times 2 is 18. So as you can see here, there is 0. So let's just add 0 here on the top and this one. So 180 minus 180 is 0. So the answer is 90. 90 meters squared. Okay, example number 4. The base of this triangle is 6 meters and its height is 8 meters. Okay, base times height, so 6 meters multiplied by 8 meters. 6 times 8 is 48. Then meters times meters is meters squared. Then divided by 2. So let's try to compute this one. 48 divided by 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then this is 2. Then 2 times 2 is 4. Subtract 4 minus 4 is 0. Then bring down 8. So 8 divided by 2, that is 4. So the answer here is 24 meters squared. Example number 5. The base is 8 meters and the height is 9 meters. Let's compute. the area of this triangle. So 8 meters, 8 meters multiplied by 9 meters. So 8 times 9, that is 72. Then meters times meters is meters squared. Then divided by 2. So 72 divided by 2. So 7 divided by 2, that is 3. Then 3 times 2 is 6. Then subtract 7 minus 6 is 1. Then bring down 2. So 12 divided by 2, that is 6. So 6 times 2 is 12. So subtract 12 minus 12 is 0. So the answer is 36 meters squared. Example number 6. The base of this triangle is 10 meters and the height is 15 meters. Let's multiply the base and the height. So 10 meters multiplied by 15 meters. So 15 times 10. So 0 times 5 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. Then we have 1 times 5 is 5. Then 1 times 1 is 1. Add 0. Then 0 plus 5 is 5. Then 1. So 150. So 150 meters times meters is meters squared. Then divided by 2. So 150 divided by 2. So 1 divided by 2 cannot be, so let's try to go to the next 2 digits. 15 divided by 2 is 7. So 7 times 2 is 14. So 5 minus 4 is 1, so this is 0, so bring down this 0. So 10 divided by 2 is 5. Then 5 times 2 is 10. So subtract 10 minus 10 is 0. So the answer is 75. So 75 meters squared is the area of this triangle. So I hope you had learned from these examples and how to get the area of a triangle. So please do subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you'll be informed for my coming videos. Thank you so much and goodbye.